There you go, guys. I just popped up to the shed to have a few tins, but I can't find anywhere to sit. So, oh well, I might as well draw this 1,000 subscriber giveaway. What do you reckon? Let's do it. All right, let's get this party started. Righto, guys. G'day, welcome back to the shed. Oop, fucking hell. We've done it. We've hit the 1,000 subscriber mark. Cheers, everyone. Fucking really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Actually a bit over the 1,000 mark now, so sorry for the delay with that one. But thought I'd make a video. We'll do the live draw, give you a bit of a look around what I've done with the shed, the man cave now, and yeah, we'll get into it. So without further ado, so here we go. So for those of you who have already seen it before, here's the bar. It is now eagerly awaiting the stickers from the viewers to cover up the front wall as requested. SkidPig logo in the middle. Good idea. So we've cleaned all this off. We were just doing a bit of YouTubing earlier. Where's my bloody thing? Here it is. There we go. So we're, oh, sorry, that's not it. Yep, there we go. We're on YouTube, that's right. So let's have a look at my channel, Mr. Pig. So we're at 1312 now, guys. That's fucking awesome. Thank you so much. So we'll just get that set up and we'll come back to that later. So rightio, we got the judges in the house, Mr. Chevy the Red Man and Miss Karma. Going on.
Later that same evening.
We got the black and grey tiles everywhere. In the first episode of pimping out my man cave, we only had 8 square meters, which did sort of that area. And then I ordered another 15, which sort of did all this. So it looks pretty fat now. Plenty of room for the bike, drinking area, lift. This is another new addition for those of you who, well, no one's fucking seen it because I haven't done a video since then. So I've started to put a few stickers on this one too. Bike and Bird on there. YouTube certified mechanic. Now, before anyone gives me a spray about having too much money, this is not a snap-on trolley, it is just a sticker. So calm your farm. We've tidied up this shit a little bit, but it's still a bit of a brothel. But moved the fridge from there to there, which is where the toolbox was, but it was sort of an awkward fit, and I couldn't get to me Ryobi batteries hanging here, so that's a better fit by far. Clean the bar off. We got some boxes over there ready to go out to a few of the guys. So yeah, that's pretty much where we're at for the shed side of things. So without further ado, I'll show you how I was going to do this. So, oh yeah, look, there's a couple of new ones there, guys, that are scheduled for release. I'm not going to give it all away, but I might fast forward because this could take a while. Channel. How do you do this? Community. Okay, so the plan is to... Fuck, this could take a very long time, actually. So you got your whole list of subscribers. If you go into your creator thing, click on subscribers, it'll give you the big list. So we've got 1313 now. Fuck, is that going up again? Yes. So I'm gonna get the I'll go and get my phone. Hang on, I'll be right back. So if you just go into Google and type random number generator, you can go into it here. So what you got to do is put 1 to 1,000, and then I suppose you just got to scroll all the way down and alright, so let's press enter, and the winner is number 32. There you go, 32. So oh, fucking hell, bear with me guys, we got to scroll all the way to the bottom of this. Who's number 32? Alright, so here we go. Number 1. So if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. There we are. Mr. fucking FXDLS Brooklyn. You beauty. So he subscribed to me 4 months ago. Thank you, sir. I fucking love your channel. I watch all your shit. So yeah, Mr. BK Low, you're the winner, man. So let's show you what you're gonna get, bro. Come over to the bench. This is your box, so your name is going on here. You get a SkidPig hat, trucker, brand new. Check that shit out. Now I did buy the good ones too, I didn't skimp on this shit. Alright, so what else you got in here? We've got a bag full of goodies, which I'll get to. So in here, mate, you've got a little secret in there, which I'll get back to later, but I'll show you this first. There's a Bore Terror stubby cooler. Bail 'em and nail 'em. Got a little bottle of Bundaberg rum. Now, any Aussie will know all about this stuff. That's for you. In here, we've got a can of liquid gold. Don't worry about the year. It's a Queensland State of Origin thing. It is brand new. Bought it today. So that's for you, mate. In your little bag of goodies. Let's get into that. So the magnet is a mini Crocodile Dundee, as you can see, in case you don't see this video, mate. There he is. Everyone knows who the fuck Crocodile Dundee is, so that's one for you. We got you a Centenary of Rugby League stubby cooler, mate, which is Wally Lewis on the back, number 6, King Wally. Everyone knows who he is if you're Australian. Got you a thong, mate, an Aussie plugger. Bit of an Australian shit thing for you. We'll get all this shit out. There's just a couple of coasters, mate. It's just to keep the stickers from getting bent up. The old original SkidPig logo. Couple of the new stickers, mate. Couple of grey ones. YouTube certified mechanic. Couple of white. Couple of red. And a couple of spam cards. And now for the big finale. A few of you guys might know this bloke. He does a bit with a company called Epic Eyewear, which is a veteran-owned company. And ASR is his logo. I don't know if you're familiar with him or not, but Adam Sandoval Rides. Now this is a pair of his transition lifestyle sunnies. Now this is the best ones you can get. These things go from clears to dark smoke. So man, I hope you enjoy these. I wanted to make a pretty decent giveaway for my first one. So there you go, brother. I'm sure you use them. But I'll go and pack all this shit up and get back to having a few cans. But all right, guys. Hope you enjoyed that one, and cheers to the first 1,000, and hopefully many, many more. Righto, let's give that a look. Should I? That is a pretty big difference, guys. That is cool. So there you go. If you're curious about the ASR Adam Sandoval Rides Epic Eyewear Transition Sunnies, that's what they do. And this is fluoro lights, so very bright. Alrighty, there you go. If you liked that video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it that one. Give us this one. They should make a button for that. I think that should definitely be a thing that is done. But yeah, if I haven't got a headbutt out here, headbutt that subscribe button, and I'll catch you later, eh? See ya.